Heartbreak could be on the horizon for Peri Lomax, Ruby O'Donnell, and Hollyoaks, as Juliet Nightingale's Niamh Blackshaw life is on the line following a catastrophic explosion. Juliet has marriage on the mind in upcoming scenes, and she even enlists James, Gregory Finnegan, to help her in her mission. Yaz Malik, Hiesha Mistry, however, puts her foot in it as she reveals Juliet's plan to Peri, who is seemingly not quite as keen on the notion of wedding bells as her girlfriend. But everyone's attention is soon elsewhere as a devastating explosion rips through Salon during Marnie's Lisette Anthony fundraiser event for Dee Valley Hospital. Peri, meanwhile, realizes just what it is that she wants while in a life-threatening situation, but will it be too late to make her dream a reality? Will Juliet die in the explosion? Peri, meanwhile, realizes just what it is that she wants while in a life-threatening situation, but will it be too late to make her dream a reality? Will Juliet die in the explosion? Afterwards, she has some kind words for Donna Marie Quinn, Lucy Jo Hudson, before tragedy strikes for the Nightingale clan. Will Juliet die before Peri has a chance to tell her how she feels?